Inside the federal building, Jay Powell swatted away question after question about the Trump administration's continued interference into the central bank. 2 weeks ago, the Department of Justice issued Jay Powell with a subpoena over renovations to the Federal Reserve building. In a rare departure from his usual neutral stance on politics, Mr. Powell issued a video statement saying that the subpoena had nothing to do with the renovations and everything to do with him not lowering rates fast enough for Mr. Trump's liking.
The threat of criminal charges is a consequence of the Federal Reserve setting interest rates based on our best assessment of what will serve the public, rather than following the preferences of the president.
And despite a bad Fed chairman, a guy that has we call him too late, he's too late. Jerome, too late. Powell, he's too late. But he wants to keep rates as high as possible. Despite that, we've driven rates down.
Today, he was back to his usual self, not commenting on anything political.
I'm not going to be getting into that.
Can you say whether the Fed has responded to the subpoenas?
I have nothing for you on that today. Again, I don't want to get into this. It's not something there's a time and place for these questions, but not something I'm going to be getting into today.
He did, however, issue a lengthy comment on why the Fed Reserve must remain independent.
The point of independence is not to protect policymakers or anything like that. It just is that every advanced economy democracy in the world has come around to this common practice. It's just an institutional arrangement that has served the people well, and that is to have a separation between to not have direct elected official control over the setting of monetary policy. And the reason is that monetary policy can be used, through an election cycle to affect the economy in a way that will be politically worthwhile.
Mr. Powell's term as chair is going to end in May. There are 4 key contenders who are in line to replace Mr. Powell, and President Trump will choose his preferred candidate any day now.